The most affordable and quality computer supplier in the Philippines is now here in Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao. Welcome to the cheapest computer dealer in Mindanao set that you could buy with the highest quality of computers. Boog Computer, selling the most branded with the highest quality for the consumers and customers not only in Cagayan de Oro City but nationwide. They are always happy to serve you from corporate computers to gamer enthusiasts. Boog Computer got all you need.
Hi guys, please subscribe to my friend Gerald, to his channel, Architect Studio, and have a great day.
Let's build our own personal computer. If you've been beating yourself up about doing nothing productive during quarantine, don't. Sometimes nothing is exactly what you need. Other times, it's nice to make something with your own hands. That's what this guide is about. How to build a PC from scratch. And to understand the basic components of a PC. It can be daunting for a lot of reasons. It's expensive, it's complex, it can get messy. But I want to be clear. If you can build an IKEA table, bookshelf, bed, or anything that comes in more than one of those deceivingly heavy flat packs, you can build a PC. What do you need? No matter what your experience level is, you should use regardless of what kind of PC you're building, home office or gaming, the components you need are going to be the same. You'll need a motherboard, a CPU, central processing unit, storage, memory, a power supply, a case, and a monitor. The only thing you might not need if you're mostly using this PC for home office tasks is a GPU, graphics processing unit, but it's necessary for photo or video editing and gaming. That's a lot of stuff. Here's a little breakdown of what each component is. Motherboard. Every other component plugs into this circuit board. It's the highway they use to communicate and collaborate. They come in different sizes and configurations, and each one looks a little different, but they all fill the same function. Processor, CPU. This is the brain of your computer. It sockets directly into the motherboard, and it's the single most important component of your PC. But that doesn't mean it has to be the most expensive. We'll get to that later. If the CPU doesn't mention including thermal paste, make sure to get some too. Graphics card GPU. If you'll be playing games on this PC, you'll need a graphics processing unit, or GPU, also called a graphics card. This is a specialized processor that's designed and optimized for handling visual data like the graphics in games. It's also used in video and photo editing, and other graphics-intensive tasks. These cards are tough to find in stock, or at a reasonable price, at the moment, so you may have to wait a while. Storage. This is your PC's walk-in closet. This is where you store all your files, your games, your movies, your documents, your photos, your everything. You can always add more storage later if you need it. Memory, RAM. You'll see a lot of the same terms when you're looking at memory and storage, but they're very different. Memory is more like that one table you toss things on to deal with later. It's scratch paper. It's short term. It's very important, though, because software uses memory to cache, temporarily store data in a place it can be retrieved very quickly. Power supply PSU. Your power supply is a little box that keeps the electricity running to each and every component. It determines how quick and powerful your PC can be. The faster it is, the more power it needs, and you always want to have a little more than you need, just in case. Just like GPUs, PSUs are also a little hard to find right now. Your case is just what it sounds like. It's a metal box. It might be covered in glass panels and etched aluminum, but inside it's just a big metal box that holds everything together. PC monitor. The term monitor is often used synonymously with computer screen or display. The monitor displays the computer's user interface and open programs, allowing the user to interact with the computer. Typical